Good afternoon, student. Last week we sent the video for the chapter 7 Physiology and Injury in Sports. It is those video by definition of physiology, effect determined for the effect for the our main concept for sports, speed, endurance, flexibility, and strength. After that, it is the cardiovascular system. Okay, effect of exercise in cardiovascular system, in immediate effect. After that, it is the long-term effect. Now, next topic is the respiratory system. Today, it is two topics: respiratory system and muscular system. After that, we can do for the objective of first aid and discuss about objective of first aid. Okay. First, it is the and concept of sports medicine. Today, it is respiratory system. The cell in our body needs oxygen to release energy from the digestive fluid. The process of releasing energy from foods is called respiration. The respiratory system consists of organs responsible for taking in oxygen for respiration and releasing carbon dioxide and water vapor, which are the waste product formed during respiration. Now, this is the definition of a respiratory system. You can inhale the oxygen and releasing the carbon dioxide. Okay. Now, some effect of exercise on respiratory system. First is hypertrophy of heart, increase cardiac output, resting pulse, increase faster adoption of working load, return of normal pulse quickly, increase in hemoglobin, decrease in blood viscosity or density, respiratory muscle become strong, increase in number of alveoli and filamentary diffusion. Okay, this is the point, this effect of the exercise. Okay, increase tidal volume. Okay, chemical composition of blood improves, reduction in cardiac problem, blood pressure regulation, faster healing, and increase aerobic endurance. Okay, this is the effect of exercise in respiratory system. Okay, now this is the hypertrophy of heart. Okay, effect of hypertrophy of heart is the exercise hypertrophy. Enlargement of heart takes place, thus there is increase in stroke volume. Okay, now increase the cardiac output. Cardiac output is the amount of blood pumped out of each 1 minute. Okay, resting pulse. With increased cardiac output, the vessel heart rate decrease. Faster adaptation to working load. In a 10%, the heart can adapt to working load quickly. Okay. Now return of normal pulse quickly. The pulse or heart rate returns to normal quickly after exercise. The body feels relaxed after some time. Next is increase. Sixth number, increase in hemoglobin. Okay. Regular training increase the hemoglobin RBCs content in blood. Okay. Now next is decrease in viscosity. The blood viscosity decrease, plasma content increases. Okay. Respiratory muscles become strong. The respiratory muscles, intercostal and diaphragm muscles become strong to work maximally for longer duration. Okay. This is the defined for the those effect of the exercise in respiratory system. Okay, maximal oxygen uptake, new caliphus capillaries are formed, increased tidal volume, chemical composition of blood pressure improves, reduction of cardiac problem, blood pressure regulation, proper blood pressure होगा, faster healing, they can faster heal our disease, increase our aerobic endurance. After that, we teach muscular system. Okay. Now next up is muscular system. Muscular system means about half the weight of our body is of our muscles. They make our body move there. There are about 650 muscles, and each one helps in producing a particular movement. Our muscles work together to perform several movements. You can do for the 650 muscles in our body. They can proper up. The body move the about 650 muscles. Okay. They help in producing in the particular movement. The muscles work together, perform several movements. Muscle can do for the proper work and several times. Okay. This is the several movement. Okay. Now, effect of exercise in muscular system is the gain of in strength. Okay. First is gain in strength. With regular exercise, there is gain in muscular strength and power. This gain of strength is the result of taking a sharp lemma. Okay. The second is efficiency improvement. Third is lactate threshold increases. Regular exercise increase the ability of muscles to tolerate more lactic acid for longer duration. Lactate threshold increases, thus muscles delay tiredness and fatigue. Okay. Good. Okay. Next is the increase in aerobic and anaerobic endurance. A trained muscle has more aerobic endurance, therefore its capacity to work for longer duration without fatigue is improved. Proper shape of body, regular exercise provide proper shape to the body. Faster recovery from injury, proper trained muscles can recover from the injury for the fast. Okay. Now emergency store for energy improve like this. The ATP and ADP sources in increase by which muscles can produce more energy. It also increases the oxygen debate capacity. Okay. Desired strength development. Okay. After this faster response, efficient use of diet. Trained muscles efficiency is the carbohydrates, protein, fats, source of energy with less consumption of oxygen. Okay. This is the now next is better neuromuscular condition. Regular exercise improve the neuromuscular condition, which is various skills to be performed efficiently, economically, and accurately. Okay. Increase in muscle mass. Regular exercise increase the muscle mass. Okay. Now, concept of next topic is the concept of sports medicine. Sports medicine, also known as exercise medicine, in the branch of medicine that deal with diagnosis, treatment, and prevention of injuries related to sports. Some authors said the definition for the sports medicine, like according to Desas, it is the branch of medicine concerned with the treatment of injuries or illness. Okay, concerned the injury or illness resulting from athletic activities. Now, concept of sports medicine is also known as exercise medicine in the branch of medicine that deal with diagnosis, treatment, and prevention of injuries related to sports. According to Deserts, it is the branch of medicine concerned with the treatment of injuries or illness resulting from athletic activities. Okay. Next is the according to Webster Dictionary. Okay, it is the branch of medicine concerned with the athletic conditioning and nutrition, the treatment and prevention of athletic injuries, and the improvement of athletic performance. This is the sports medicine. Now, next topic, the first step is the objective, and is first step is the immediate and temporary care given to the victim. The first object, okay, the first objective is to save life. Objective first aid, immediate aid, think about ABC, okay, okay, stop bleeding, crowd kept away, warp the injured in cloth, sympathetic attitude, fluids should not be given to the unconscious person, and medical aid. Okay, this is the today's topic by respiratory system, muscular system, and sports medicine and first aid, and their objective. Today, last topic is the sports injury. Okay, so their prevention, the sports injury. Okay, prevention for sports injury, cases of sports injury, and classification of sports injury in the next Google Meet class. Okay, discuss about the this topic. Okay, so this is completed for the chapter. So okay, student, have a nice day. See you next week. Okay, bye bye. Okay, bye. Have a good day.